loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and I thought I would do something a little bit different and have some fun today. Today is all about the things that QVC made me buy. So before we get going, hit that subscribe button, share this with someone you think might like it, and let's do it. You guys, I have loved QVC and HSN Home Shopping Network for so long. I don't even really know why. QVC and HSN is just one of those things that is my happy place. I know that sounds strange, but I've actually connected with a lot of you guys on Instagram about it. It is one of those things for me that is a stress reliever, and I actually have always wanted to be a host on QVC. Not so much anymore since I have a daughter because the hours are just too crazy for me, but I just thought it would be so much fun to just be on TV talking about beauty products all the time, and just they look like they're having so much fun, and they literally make me buy everything all the time. So I'm gonna get into what QVC made me buy. First of all, they made me buy this whole Josie Maran set, or Maran set. I don't even know how to say the girl's name. She's this model. I know you guys all know what she is. Her whole line is based in argan oil, and there was a set that came with her milk, her new thing, which is called the Josie Maran Divine Drip. It's like a sleeping pack. Also came with the SPF and this cream-based like lip and cheek and eye stick. And this bad boy, you guys. This is her Argan Sugar Body Balm Body Scrub, and it's in Vanilla Fig. First of all, I have to start here. Can I be like them? Oh my gosh, you guys. I've used so much of this, and I feel like my husband opened this in the shower, and I'm like, do not use this. This is mine. Boy, does it smell good. And on QVC, they go like this, and they like, and she like puts it all over her body. Now, I don't want to waste this because this is like my holy grail right now, body stuff. But they make it look so luscious on TV. They spread it all over their body. It is the most obnoxious, weird thing, but so amazingly satisfying that I absolutely love when they bring this product on. First of all, she does claim, you guys, she does claim that her products are, you know, natural and all of this stuff. Yes, they are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, except for a lot of their products have honey in it. So that obviously would not be vegan, but not everything has it in it. But this body scrub, you guys, I am like freaking out that I'm gonna run out of it. It has helped my dry skin so much. I don't even have to put lotion on my skin again after, I mean, I put it on after I get out of the shower with this, but then it is hydrated all the way until the middle of the next day. You guys, I am blown away by this product, okay? If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. It is so gosh darn good. Okay. Then let's talk about this. This is their smoothing face and neck treatment. It's for, you know, nighttime. I don't love this. It balls up on me, but I have been using it on my neck and like kind of on my body while I sleep, and that's been working out nicely. They do this thing on TV where they go, and they like watch as it goes through the product. You guys, I'm telling you, I go to sleep with QVC on my headphones sometimes because it's just so relaxing to me. And it's okay. Again, I don't love it for the face. There's one I'm going to be talking about early next year that I prefer a lot more. I'm still in the process of using it and testing it out, but it is so far so good and has really saved my winter skin. So I would pass on that. This, though, if you have normal to dehydrated skin, I've talked about this before, but this is the Josie Maran Argan Day Moisturizer SPF 45, and this is tinted, okay? So here's my skin before. I just want to show you. This is before, and I just putting 2 pumps on like this, and watch my skin. This is the most beautiful SPF I have used in a very long time. Now the pink in it actually acts as a very light blurring effect. It has like a translucency to it that kind of blurs fine lines and all of that good stuff. It does have a little bit of coverage to it, not like a foundation or even a BB cream, but it definitely has a little bit of coverage to it. And it makes the skin look so dewy and gorgeous. I look forward to using her body scrub and her SPF every single day. Or that I take a shower in this every single day. I've been addicted. This is zinc and titanium dioxide, so it is a physical sunscreen, so you don't have to worry about giving it time to actually work. It works right away. It really blurs everything on the skin. It's not going to be suitable for your more oily to combination skin because it is so glowy, but you guys, if you're sleeping on this one, this is something you should go get a sample of. I love it. Is it as clean as she says? No. I mean, I'm trying to see here. It's cleanish, I'll just say that. I mean, it's not, there's no like parabens or anything like that in it, but it's not, you know, natural, like super natural. But it doesn't matter to me right this second because it is clean enough, and it is a physical sunscreen, which is what I love, and it without the white cast. You guys, if you're looking for that signature Elle glow, this is what I've been wearing lately. All right, moving on. I'm going to show you and demonstrate this as well. Just give me a second. I'm going to put on some foundation and stuff like that. Okay, I also bought these. This is the Mally It's Your Time to Shine Eye Color Gel Waterproof Liner. But they're also, yes, they're liners, but the way you can use these, they're gorgeous. They're safe for the waterline. If you guys have not tried these out, you have to do that. So what you can do is, I'll show you, is I'm going to be using the one in amber, which is like this kind of coppery color. And I'm going to put this all along. They're so soft. Whenever the girl was using them on the show, this is how she kind of used them. And I'm just going to buff this out real quick. She said you have about 10 seconds of playtime, and she was not joking. This stuff dries down so darn quick that you need to keep moving, okay? So that's the only kind of drawback. But I can put this on skin without a primer, and it does such amazing things for the eyes. Then I'm using a different one. This one is in Deep Sage, and it is this, definitely the sage kind of color. It is, has a little light reflecting properties to it, and all of these, though, the unfortunate thing is that all of these are kind of shimmery, so there isn't any matte ones. I was hoping that there would be, and I kind of haphazardly kind of ordered these without knowing that that's the way it was. Waterline, here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go kind of finish my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, everything is on. I will tell you that they do not stay great in the waterline, but they do stay great on the rest of the eye. I mean, I guess that they do. I don't know. They are in the waterline and they aren't moving. If you guys have tried these, let me know if they stay in the waterline for you, because it's kind of interesting. I mean, in my bathroom, I didn't even notice that they was there, but now I'm kind of noticing that it is, so I don't really know. Let me know if you guys have tried these, but over the eyes, they're beautiful. I really enjoy them. All right, so let me get into this. This is Josie's Argan Color Stick in Rosy. It's a really beautiful color. I have been wearing this. I will say that the SPF that I have underneath here, it doesn't play super well with full coverage foundations. I'm actually trying a new foundation right now for a review that's going to come up later on this month, but it really plays better with more of a tinted moisturizer or just a little bit of concealer, to be honest with you. That's how I've been wearing it, is for my days that I don't want to wear foundation. I've been popping it on and then using it with this color stick and then a little bit of concealer, and that has really been doing some nice things. So it doesn't love like full coverage foundation over it for some reason. I haven't been able to understand why quite yet. Oh, I forgot to talk to you guys about this. The milk is amazing. I use this on the nights where I don't use any kind of retinol products. I use this on nights where I just want some extra hydration. It's beautiful. I don't use this during the day, but this has been doing some really great things for my skin for hydration. So I've really been liking it. It's nice. Okay, let's go on to some fun stuff. This is the brand new Philosophy perfume. Oh, you guys. It's called Fresh Cream Soft Suede. I don't even think it's out on the market yet. I ordered it pre-sale. This lady was talking about it and she's like, it's like a sexy old leather couch. I mean, they were just going off on it. So I love vanilla. Vanilla is my scent. I absolutely love it. I love it in all candles. I love gardenia. I love anything that smells sweet and candy. This smells almost exactly like, I think it's called like Fresh Cream, but it has a little bit more of a heavier vanilla scent to it. I really like it. 100% agree with this. It's so, so good. It smells really nice. So if you want to smell like me, I guess. All right, I got to scoot you out for this one. So let's talk about this. I'll show you in one of my new fashion hauls that's coming up, but this is by a brand called, what is it called? Cozy or Comfy? Cuddle Duds, that's what it's called. This is like this long robe type thing. Again, watch my video that's coming up next week and I'll have this all like on for you. I live in this since I got it. It is the softest thing you've ever felt in your whole entire life. I got one, hopefully my mom's not watching this, but I got one in oatmeal for her for Christmas. She's going to love it. It can be worn, it's supposed to be worn at night like over pajamas, but I have been wearing it during the day. You would never know. It's so, so good. I love this. Yeah. And then I got this. Hopefully my husband doesn't watch this, but this is the Conair Man Respect the Ritual. It's basically this razor for all sorts of different facial hair, as well as nose trimmer, ear trimmer. Has a whole bunch of different parts to it. So I'm excited to give this to him for Christmas. That's it. But that is it. That is what QVC made me buy. I'm obsessed with them, and I just thought it'd be fun to show you. And I just wanted to have a little bit of fun. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season, and just so you know, a few announcements is that starting in 2019, we'll be having 1 week a month, which will be the third week of every month. That will be Green Clean Week. So we will be really taking on the kind of healthy, more green skincare and makeup products. Instead of doing just, you know, a month here or there, you guys have loved those series. So we're going to make it a monthly thing. So the third week of every month is going to be my Green Clean Month. And it's not going to only be skincare and cosmetics, it's also going to be healthy lifestyle, as well as I'm going to try to find some really health conscious or environmentally conscious brands for clothes as well as jewelry. So it's going to be an ever-evolving thing for 2012. 2012? What? Okay, 2019. It's 2012. That was odd. Anyway, so I hope that you're looking forward to that. Thank you so, so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.